watching him and being able to maneuver, working with many women, many generations of women, very opinionated individuals in both a staff, from a staff perspective, and then of course across our membership, has also been impressive.
Communicating well, making sure that all the information is covered, making sure that the important information is covered is definitely key to our success at Central Exchange.
He was able to come in and look at all the communications, and we had many different kinds, but there wasn't really a strategy behind it. So he quickly came in and helped us determine what that strategy needed to look like. Obviously, social media component was very key and critical to how we were going to communicate with, with diversifying our membership in terms of age and ethnicity.
Something that's been growing in me is this passion for access, whether it's access to C-suite level, access to company, organizations, funders. I think that we're not as well represented as we should be, all minorities, but I think it's, part of what I see being successful in the future and currently is really opening doors for people to have those opportunities, for them to have a seat at the table.
We need people like Edgar and others that are like him to help the business understand what their consumer is going to need and want in the next decade. And I think that it's a business imperative.
It's amazing the talent, the quality of folks that are out there, the quality of diverse folks that are out there, and just their energy and passion around making sure that Kansas City is, inclusive, and that we are welcoming as we can be, and that, we're providing the adequate resources for folks from minority communities to succeed.